Carson, what did you do? What? What did you do? Did you knock this down? Oh, how did you do that? What? What you got on? What do you have on your shirt? Hey, Brandon. Well, show me what you do. Where'd you get that flower, Brandon?
Over here.
You show me what mess you made, Carson.
The TV.
Oh boy. Yeah.
Look at all this.
It's not funny. Carson, look at me. Carson. It's not funny. What did you do? Where did you get all that flour, Carson?
In there.
Show me, Carson.
In there. There's flour all over the windows. Belly sauce.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Look at
Dad,
Yes.
there's something also wrong with the TV downstairs. Guess what?
She's got 40.
Just look at the devastation a 3-year-old chef can make. I particularly like the piles on the windowsill. There. I hope you had fun. He's probably going to be sneezing biscuits for weeks.